le tunnel esikuzo ezeziyi-4 yilezi engisupportwe ngazo nguhulumente, which was last year, although we went through problems because that's the time i-COVID iqala, and then sangakwazi ukuthi sizigqibe in time. Zagqibekeka ke inputs zafika late, so ngokubona ukuthi inputs ziyafika late ndathi no man mazingahlali nje zibe yi-white elephant, so ndafaka le beetroot. Was still clearing le, ndafaka le beetroot yokuthi at least we should start i-production. I-beetroot le izonceda because usually ubona ukuthi the processes ka-department, not that I wouldn't say that my district benza ngamabongo, kaloku we go through all various processes ku-procurement, kwenziwe i-tender and so forth, and being non-farmer abona ukuthi ixesha liyakushiya. So I looked at Norman, let me use a crop fast which I can harvest within 50 to 60 days, and nayo according to the demand efunekayo. No, beetroot is there. So inceda gqitha ukuthi while waiting I'm doing something. I'm not ansonganga nje izandla ukuthi no benifake isicelo then ngizolinda i-fertilizer, ngizolinda imbewu. If for example uyabona le, this is about 40 meters by 10, at least I've planted for one tunnel. So the income enzoyifumana upper from one tunnel, I'll start clearing the other 3 and start planting. Like next week I'll be planting cucumber. Nayo it's on order. Ukungena nzulu ku-department ndingathi mina baqale last year. And I'm so grateful because I mean the district is big. I'm not the only one. Nabo babethwa i-budget. Nalapha I applied for 10 tunnels, but through their budget, because of the budget constraints, they gave me 4, and half a loaf of bread is better than nothing. I'm happy about it.